itself right here. So this is what the packaging looks like. There it is. And let's unbox it. Here we go. Woohoo, this is some stuff. Okay. Taking out the package. And there we have it. iPhone XS Max Silicone Case. Looks like this. And let's take it out. So there's a tab here. And just kind of, whoop. There's a tab here. Okay. And there it is. The nice casing. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of the box. Wow. That looks amazing. So I have my old ripped silicone case. This is, look at that. That doesn't look good. But the new XS Max silicone case, it also matches my band. So let's take out the case here. Okay. And there we have it. So just gonna take it out. This is my iPhone XS Max. So let's put this in. Right here. Okay. Let's go. Okay. For the first time. And here it is. This looks amazing, man. Okay, just put in the focus. This is what it looks like. It looks quite amazing. It's not in focus, right? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. This is my iOS setup. If you don't know, it actually, oof, I almost dropped that. Okay, so this is the old silicone case, and I feel like they've made the material a little bit durable, more durable. So this is what my case looks like, and this is the old case. The old case, I feel like this one is kind of like rough. You see a scratch here. This one's more like hard and durable. This one's more hard and durable. So that's the iPhone XS Max silicone case unboxing. The setup was pretty easy. This is what it looks like on my iPhone XS Max. Let me take it out of. There we go.